I have other options than just using a color fill, however. I could also use a photograph and fill that rectangle with a photograph, an image. So I've clicked on this here, and I'm going to go down, choose image, and then I could pick something from my images, and there we have a photo. And with this, I could tell that image to fill that rectangle. I could get it to fit the rectangle, or I could get it to crop the rectangle. And in this case, if I did crop, then I could get out the parts of it that I don't want, like that. So we have some choices about what we can do there. I could also rotate it if I wanted to. There we go, back to normal. All right, so those are a few things we can do with putting an image inside of a rectangle. Your turn to bring in an image. So just a quick reminder, we're going to click on the rectangle tool and we will draw a rectangle. It can be any size you want. We're going to come over to the right hand menu. We're going to click on fill in that little color box you see. We're going to go to this third square here that says image, and we're going to choose an image. And I'm going to choose just a quick image I have in my downloads. It's a headshot that I recently had taken, and so here it has brought it in. Now you have some choices. Right now it is filling that rectangle, so it's making sure that that rectangle is full of a picture, but also if you look over here, you can see the full image, and it's a larger image than what's here. It's taller essentially. So I could also tell it to fit, and now it's going to fit that entire image into this rectangle, but it does mean that I'll have some areas here that are blank. I could also go to crop, and if I did a crop, basically I can grab these little blue bars and I can make it the size that I want it to be. And so I'm just gonna click my return key, and now I have it cropped. So you go ahead, you do this, bring a rectangle, put an image in it, and decide if you want it to fit, fill, or crop that photo.